In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate an email in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click to open the specific email you want to translate. If Gmail detects that the email is written in a different language, you'll see a translate to English option just below the sender's name at the top of the message. Click that link and Gmail will instantly translate the email into your default language. If you don't see that option, you can manually translate the message. Click the three vertical dots icon on the far right side of the email header next to the reply arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Translate Message. A translation toolbar will appear above the message body. If the message does not automatically translate, click the Translate to your preferred language link in that toolbar. If you need to change the destination language, click the Settings gear icon within the translation toolbar. From there, choose a different language based on your preference. At any time, if you want to see the original version of the email, click View Original Message in the translation toolbar. This will revert the email back to its original language. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.